Now, I want to give you an overview around the team lead onboarding. You might wonder, who's a team lead? From our perspective, team lead is the person who guides the team through the whole team journey, through the workshop modules and everything else. Often, those are the leaders, managers of their team, but it also can be someone out of the team or even from another function. But let's just assume it's the leader of a team. They get invited by the CULTURIZER and will start and just give some infos, team name, email address, and something like this. And then the first team or their team is created. Then onboarding is needed. The CULTURIZER is super intuitive and built for team leads who have no facilitation experience and are not digital natives or digital front runners, so to say. So it's super easy and intuitive, and so is the onboarding. What you see right now is the Teamlead dashboard, the Teamlead area. So you see here the team journey, explores the starting module, and then there's 2 checks which will be planned ongoing, and the team can start, the team lead individually can start with the onboarding. Here's some videos around the CULTURIZER itself about the preparation of the workshop and infos to the platform. Obviously this was in German, but you can switch to English anytime. So this is one important area. You will watch the videos, you get all the information. Then we have an FAQ list. Those are questions which are asked by other team leads. You see it's not too much because the culture is so intuitive and easy to implement, but you can go through those questions as well. And then it's time to prepare for the first workshop module, in this case, Explore. You can start the demo. In the demo, you can just click through one by one, and you have a PDF guide which you can download or even print, where all the workshop aspects, the steps in the workshop are defined, and you have an overall orientation. So this is what you can do on your own. Then you will invite your team. Here is invitation text, which you can just copy and then send out to your team. The workshop module itself, you do it together, the team lead does it together with their team at the same time, synchronous, and they can do it in presence, remote, or hybrid. And the CULTURIZER will be displayed as digital facilitator and guide through. So you can just use your regular calendar systems to make an invite and use the prepared text. And then you start the module. Later on, you will find information around the results of the workshop modules, about your progress, everything about the culture hacks, everything here in the section. And yeah, that's basically the onboarding. It's intuitive, individualized, and maybe you will think about some interventions beyond the onboarding, like a kickoff session or something. Here we will support you, but as I said, the onboarding is super easy for every team lead.